Go.
Alright, so we're gonna do a video. We're gonna do. I'm Gus. Say your name.
I'm Jasmine. You have to say your full name.
My full name?
Yeah.
You say fucking Gustavo.
Gustavo.
No, Gustavo.
I say Gustavo because I don't
No,
like Gustavo.
Gustavo.
Because it doesn't make sense, right? Because you call him Gus. Gustavo,
no,
right?
No, you tripping. That's only when you call me Gus. Right, so
anyways, okay, so today we're officially starting our YouTube channel, obviously. So today we're gonna do the boyfriend tag, but we're gonna do it a little bit differently.
Yeah, she gonna blast me with paintballs.
Okay, yeah. So I put on my social media, because he had the stupid idea of every question he gets wrong, I'm gonna shoot him with his paintball gun.
Yeah, and everybody wants to watch that.
Yeah, everyone wants to watch him get hit.
So however many get wrong, she's gonna shoot me at the end. But if she misses, I'm only gonna put those bullets in there, and if she misses, that's on her.
Anyways, okay, let me get the questions. Oh shit. Okay. I think I'm asking like not the full 30 because like all the 30 questions are like some are really stupid. So I'm gonna just do like the good ones. Okay. So first question. When, where did we meet?
Like when did I first see you?
Yeah, like where did we meet? And when?
Well, junior year, not the exact date.
Okay.
Alright, I met you junior year in my first period class.
Okay, it was his junior year, my sophomore year.
Yeah. And anatomy.
Anatomy and physiology, right?
Yeah, you walked in, I was like, damn.
Okay, yeah, it took this little guy, like, forever to get the hint that I thought he was cute. Okay, question number 2, when did you meet my parents?
When did I meet your parents?
Yeah, when did you meet my parents? Or, like, when did you meet my mom? Because I know you met her first.
I met your mom when we went to Disneyland, wasn't it? Yeah, that was the first time I ever came, like, in your actual house.
Oh, yeah, oh my gosh. Okay, so we went to Disneyland. Was it a Friday? Yeah, it was May 5th. I remember that.
What the fuck?
I remember. Yeah.
Go.
Okay. Because we were gonna do something that day, but we didn't know what to do. And he was like, wow, I wish I still had my Disney pass. So
let's not talk about the Disney pass.
Okay, yeah, anyways, that's a whole different story. We're not gonna get into that because that's just whoa.
That's bad.
Yeah.
No good. Oh fuck, my voice cracked.
No bueno. So we went to Disneyland and we ended up coming home like 3 or 2 a.m.
And I didn't even know her parents, and her dad was pissed off.
Yeah, my dad was mad. Okay. Anyways, when and where was our first kiss?
In your car.
It was in my car.
Street.
Wait, up what street? Oh, by the
Babe, over there down the cactus.
The View?
Yeah, the View.
Okay, yeah.
The View.
Who said I love you first?
Me.
Yeah.
I said it first.
He said it first because I was not.
She didn't even say it back that day.
Yes, I did. Oh, I said it back, but I was not gonna say it first because, like, what if he didn't feel it? Like, that's so awkward if you tell someone like, "Oh, I love you," and they're over here like this bitch.
I feel like she didn't really meant I love you.
I did because okay, look, I meant it because my sophomore year when I first met him, like, I thought he was freaking cute, like hint, like.
Babe, those weren't clear hints.
I sat on his lap. Then when he would wear like button-up shirts, like the 3, not like the full button-up, he would like leave some. He wouldn't button it.
Sexy beaner style, you know.
Okay, and I would button it because I sat next to him the whole year in class because our last names both have the same letter. And he would just not get the hint, and then I was like, "You're hot. You should leave your so-and-so, like his girlfriend at the time." And I was like, "You're way too hot for her." He still didn't get the hint. Like
I got the hint 2 years later.
2 years later, he got the hint. Like, oh my gosh. Okay. No, question number 5. No, that one's dumb. Oh, where was our first date?
To the movie theater.
Okay, what movie did we see?
Nah, you can't.
Yeah, he doesn't remember what movie we saw.
What movie did we watch? Wasn't it like a scary movie?
No.
Was it a funny movie?
No.
Oh, tell me. Wait, so far I got everything right, no?
Yeah, so far, but right now you're not.
Alright. Dude, I remember.
This is sad.
It's like in the corner of my head. What is it? Wait, like, was it like a superhero movie?
No.
I swear, was it Pirates of the Caribbean? No.
Oh my gosh, no, it was not. Actually, I think he said Pirates of the Caribbean because every time I tell my dad, like when I'm with him at 1 a.m., like
every
on
time you're
Fridays,
gonna go to my house.
I tell him like I'm gonna go to the movies, but I go to his house and I'm like, Dad, I'm gonna go see Pirates of the Caribbean. Like, and I don't think my dad gets it. Like, I always say I'm gonna go see that movie, and
he
it just
says,
doesn't
okay.
hit him. Like, he just says okay, but I really just go to his house. Okay.
Well, that's
So you got that one wrong.
Alright,
Okay, so
no, wait, what was it though? What did we watch?
Fast and the Furious.
Fast and the Furious.
Or Fast 8 or
For real?
7 or 8, yeah. We didn't even watch it. We were just talking the whole time.
Oh yeah, it was on with the I remember.
Yeah, it was.
With the bomb?
Yeah. Okay.
And I thought I hadn't watched that movie. That's why I thought I didn't watch it, because I didn't watch it.
Yeah, we didn't watch it. Okay. Which food do I not like? I don't even know this one.
Dude, how the fuck am I supposed to know it?
I don't know. Okay. What is my shoe size? Let's just forget about that one because I don't even know what I don't really like.
Your shoe size.
Okay, yeah. My shoe size. What is my shoe size? Okay, are you gonna look at my foot? You said it earlier.
You're a 7.5.
Yes! Okay, he got that right because he's never, like, we've never discussed about shoe sizes.
I just did it by looking at your foot.
Yeah, okay. What am I good at?
You're good at cooking? You're just kidding. You're good at cheerleading. There.
Okay.
You happy? I was to say something else, but you know that's too much.
Okay. What would I eat every day if I could? Okay, now I have to crop that out.
What are you good at? What?
No, what would I eat every day if I could?
Oh, I was like, what are you good at eating every day? What would you be good at if you cooked?
Yeah.
Pasta?
No, that's not the question.
Babe, what's the question? Wait, so how many do I have wrong?
1.
Oh, okay. Okay.
If I could eat something every day, what would it be, right?
Oh.
Was that the question?
In-N-Out?
Yeah.
Yeah, we eat that like every day. Well, not
every day,
week,
like
every week.
Okay.
Every Friday night.
Which sport do I like?
Cheerleading.
Wow, that's easy. What is my eye color?
Light brown? Hazel?
I don't know. You
They're
tell
light
me.
brown.
I guess. How long have we dated?
5 months.
Okay. Okay.
But in my head, I've been dating her for like 2 years.
Right. When he couldn't get the damn hint.
Alright, go.
At what age did I start cheer? Let's see if you know this. So easy. So easy. I talk about it all the time.
Age?
What age? How old was I when I first started cheering?
6.
Wrong.
You were 5.
You got 2 questions.
5.
I was 5 years old.
I knew you were 5. I swear you said kindergarten one time, so I was thinking 5.
Kindergarten. I think
That's
I was in
your 5.
kindergarten. Well, yeah, but you said 6.
Okay, but that wasn't cheer. That was gymnastics.
I started gymnastics when I was 8.
I swear I had fucking dog hair in my mouth. Alright, go.
Okay. I don't know which one it is. Oh, what is my most favorite drink and food?
Oh, shit. Your favorite drink is Dr. Pepper?
Yeah, I love Dr. Pepper.
Well, your food you have a lot.
Yeah, I do.
You
But
know,
no, pick like my
Canes?
no, like a specific food. Not like a fast food.
A specific food.
A specific food, but not like a fast food.
A fast food is specific. Babe.
Dude, he is dumb. Like, he's slow sometimes. Like, I hope you guys
food.
understand what I'm saying. Like, a food. Like
food.
chicken or steak.
That's not specific. That's in general.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say, though. Like,
You
a
said
specific food. Like, that's
Okay.
a food.
Chicken.
No. Just because I said chicken. No. That's bad. You should know this.
A specific food.
Every time we go somewhere, I'm like, babe, I want...
Fries.
Yes, but you got that wrong because that's already 3 you got wrong because you said chicken.
Alright.
When do I just eat chicken?
You
Like,
didn't say
oh, babe, I want chicken.
Sides or nothing. Alright, I got it
It's
wrong.
still food.
Okay, I got it wrong.
This dummy.
2 shots.
3.
3.
Yeah, you got I swear it's
no,
3.
2.
No.
Tripping,
It's 3.
Alright, go, baby, go.
Cause you got my year that I started cheering wrong.
Oh yeah, you're right. 3.
Slow. Okay. Who is my best friend?
Me, nigga.
Yeah. Who is my best friend? Where does my family come from?
Your dad comes from Egypt and your mom's from Puerto Rico?
Yeah. Okay. You're so dumb. Okay. I don't know what else to say. Everything's about you, Gustavo. Anyways, okay. What is my favorite restaurant? Wait, let me think.
You're asking me all these bougie questions.
I don't, wait. I feel like you should know what my favorite restaurant is. I have like 5, and if you pick one of them, I'll just be okay with it because I don't.
Your favorite restaurant, Sizzler?
Okay, I guess. I really like that place.
5. We've only been to we mostly eat fast food.
I like Sizzlers. If you guys haven't ate there, I highly recommend it. Get the clam chowder.
No, it's not worth it. You're the lobster, and they give you fucking.
Get the clam chowder. It's really good. It's really good.
It's like this big, the lobster.
Anyways, it's really good. You should get it. Okay. What do you argue about the most?
Me and you?
No, me and the wall. You're dumb.
We don't really argue. What are you talking about?
Yeah, we do. I feel like we argue a lot. Because you always do some dumb shit that pisses me off.
Oh, when she wants attention and then I go up on her and then she says, get off me. And then
yes!
I move away.
No,
and then she wants attention again. Bipolar.
I'm not bipolar. I'm not. He's just dumb. Like,
if she gets mad when I'm quiet, I'll just stay straight.
When we get into a fight in the car, oh my fuck. I want to hit him. Okay, we get into a fight in the car and I'm like, stop touching me. Like, he tries touching me and everything. Or I'm like, stop talking to me or whatever. I say that. And then he'll just be like he'll just stop and drive. He'll ignore me for the whole car ride. It doesn't matter if it's like a 5-hour car ride. He won't look at me. He won't touch me. He won't do anything. And when I say don't touch me, girls, come on, no. I mean, still touch me,
And then I touch her, and then she says, "Don't touch me again."
Because I got mad because he didn't talk to me for the whole car ride. Like, what?
I hate you. All right, go.
I hate him. Boys are dumb. They just don't get the hint. Like,
babe, ask more questions.
Okay.
So far, it's only 3.
Yeah.
That's good. She's gonna miss all.
Okay, what was the first thing you noticed about me?
That ass. Played. The first thing I noticed about you. That you were fucking loud.
I'm not.
Yeah, you were.
I'm not.
Yeah, that's the first thing I noticed about. Damn, you
I'm not.
Yeah.
He's lying.
She's lying.
How am I loud? Stop!
Alright, baby, go. You got it right.
I fucking hate
that wasn't even a question.
I know, but this says right here. Do I have any weird obsessions?
Yeah.
Do I?
No. I mean, you're obsessed with me, but that's not weird, so it's okay.
Okay.
Babe,
I don't know what else to say.
Alright, that's it, guys. She's only shooting me 3 times.
Okay, so this is the gun, guys. There's 6 of these little paint thingies. So I'm gonna shoot him 5 times, but 6 because I never shot this thing before. So hopefully I don't kill him. Okay. So.
Okay, but
put your helmet on.
But when you hit me once, don't spray them all. Just
okay.
Do one at a time.
Okay, let's do this. Oh, this is how it looks, by the way, guys. Okay. Hopefully I don't kill my boyfriend. I'm scared. I'm probably gonna miss. Okay, are you ready? I'm scared. Babe, I feel like I'm gonna hit your dick.
I should be in my bag.
Hit his dick. Okay.
My bag.
Okay, if I could. Okay. Wait, is there a little thingy? Alright, let's just do this. Let me hit the 6th one. Oh my gosh! Damn! Oh babe, I'm scared. I'm gonna kill you. Okay. I'm gonna hit your butt.
Don't shoot my ass.
Okay, I'll try not to.
You're not even aiming.
Yeah, I am. What you mean? Like this?
Look down the middle rail, the black thing.
Right here?
Yeah. Wait.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna hit his butt.
Oh shit!
Did I miss?
If I shoot my head.
Your leg!
It went like this.
Oh shit. Okay, I missed. Okay, we have 4 more left. Okay, I'll aim lower.
Get on my head.
Sorry, I didn't mean to do. I thought it was your back.
Aim like on my ass then.
Okay.
Oh!
Did that hurt?
Fuck yeah, share it on my back.
Oh. Alright, we got how many more? We got 2 more, right? Yeah, 2 more. Alright, now you can take this. I'm gonna hit your dick. Stop being a little baby!
That shit fucking hurts. It doesn't hurt when I'm playing, but it hurts right now.
Go!
Shoot me like on my leg.
Alright. You getting me too? Did I miss?
Yeah, you missed.
Damn, okay, I have 1 more. Save the last for the best. The best for the last. Okay.
Oh,
Ooh, I got... Oh, there was another one.
babe, chill.
Oh.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, well. Okay. So I accidentally wasted one because I thought there was only 2 more left.
Oh, fuck.
But turn around. Damn. That shit looks like it hurts.
Hell yeah, look. Is there a spot on my back?
No? Oh my god! Babe!
What?
Oh my god! Turn around, turn around!
It hurts, dude. You think it didn't hurt? It's so easy. The one on my
Oh
nose
my
like that,
god! See, it's not even help. It's dark outside.
Alright, so that's it. We're done. She missed all the shots.
I did not miss all the shots. I missed... I don't remember.
You missed 4. No, you missed 3.
I
You
missed
shot 2.
3. Yeah, he has a really bad, no, it's not it. Oh, well, for today's YouTube, video, yes, but we're gonna shoot another one next weekend, but I'm not sure what we're gonna do.
I'm gonna shoot her this time and they're all gonna hit.
No, no. He wishes. I'd literally cry like a little bitch.
No. Alright.
We're probably gonna do the, I don't know, the spicy noodle challenge, because I want to try that. But comment down below on what videos you guys want to see next. Please like this video if you liked it, or subscribe to our channel.
That's it.